फिल्म मशीन में लीड एक्टर के तौर पर काम कर रहे एक्टर मुस्तफा बर्मावाला ने हाल ही में मीडिया से खास बातचीत की है।
रिलीज हो चुके बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज़ आ रहे हैं आपके किरदार को। जो हमने कल रिव्यू किया तो आपके किरदार को काफ़ी पसंद किया गया। क्या कहना चाहिए?
कहना चाहूँगा शुक्रिया। पहली बात तो बहुत मेहनत लगी इस किरदार के लिए और मेरे दो डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स हैं तो दोनों को साइमल्टेनियसली किस तरह से चेंज करना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टाइलिंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ वॉकिंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लोथिंग, तो उसमें बहुत सारी मेहनत लगी है। और वॉइस भी डिफरेंट है, आप देखोगे तो, और उसके अलावा बॉडी लुक भी डिफरेंट है काफ़ी, तो उसमें काफ़ी सारी मेहनत गई।
जैसे कि इस फिल्म में जो बड़े डायरेक्टर हैं, जो अब्बास मस्तान, जो हर बड़े बड़े एक्टर्स को लॉन्च करते, तो उनके साथ काम करना कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस के?
जी, इट्स अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू। बहुत ही मज़ा आया काम करके, बहुत ही हम्बल, बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट, बहुत ही डाउन टू अर्थ डायरेक्टर्स हैं। और बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मेरी पहली मूवी है दैट टुक आउट द बेस्ट वर्क आउट ऑफ मी।
तो जैसे कि बॉलीवुड में इतने बड़े बैनर की फिल्म मिलना बहुत मुश्किल रहा, तो हाउ यू गेट दिस फिल्म फर्स्ट टाइम एंड व्हेन यू रेड द स्क्रिप्ट, व्हाट इज़ योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन दैट टाइम?
जब मैंने पहली बार ये स्क्रिप्ट सुनी, जब मुझे संजीव कौल जो इसके राइटर है उन्होंने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई, आई वॉज इन ऑ ऑफ द फुल। आई वाज लाइक कि ओ माय गॉड, क्या स्क्रिप्ट है, इतने ट्विस्ट, इतने टर्न्स, इतना कुछ सस्पेंस, सब कुछ, इतना कुछ है मूवी में। मज़ा आया काफ़ी सुन के एंड आई वाज लाइक कि अरे यार, मुझे इस मूवी में काम तो ज़रूर करना है। आई वांट टू वर्क ऑन इन दिस फिल्म। एंड देन नेक्स्ट थिंग आई नो, जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट सुनी इसके बाद में मुझे पता चला एक हफ्ते बाद कि आई एम डूइंग दिस मूवी एंड आई वाज लाइक, आई वाज वेरी थ्रिल्ड।
तो जैसे कि आपने कितने तैयारी की ऑडिशन के लिए, जब आपने ऑडिशन दिया रहेगा, और साथ ही साथ जो इनके बेटे भी फर्स्ट टाइम डेब्यू कर रहे हैं बॉलीवुड में, तो हाउ वाज एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद, हाउ ही वाज?
सी बेसिकली द एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर ऑफ द फिल्म, उनका नाम है सफदर अब्बास, ही इज़ अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन। तो उन्होंने मुझे एक दिन कॉल किया एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि अरे ईशान, कम मीट मी एंड ऑल दैट। तो मैं उनसे मिलने गया एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई शोड हिम माई पोर्टफोलियो, माई शॉर्ट फिल्म। तो वो काफ़ी इम्प्रेस हुए मेरा काम देख के एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि अब्बास सर, मस्तान सर मेकिंग अ फिल्म कॉल्ड मशीन विद न्यू कमर्स। आई वॉज वेरी थ्रिल्ड, वेरी एक्साइटेड। मैंने कहा कि प्लीज़ इफ़ पॉसिबल अगर मैं उनसे मिल सकता हूँ तो। एंड द वेरी नेक्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट टू नो, ही फिक्स अप माई मीटिंग विद देम। और जब मैं अब्बास सर, मस्तान सर से मिलने गया, they were quite excited. They saw my performance, they saw my short film, they saw my portfolio, my different looks and all that. तो उन्होंने कहा कि we think that you fit the role and that's how I got the film.
इंडस्ट्री से क्या आप ऐसा what feedback you get from the which will we always remember for you, as a feedback regarding your acting?
See, honestly, whatever feedback I've got so far, unanimously been very positive. वो आप कह सकते हैं ऑडियंस हो, critics हो, they all have liked my work. So I'm very humble and very touched that people have liked my work. They've accepted me with open arms. I'm very humble for that. Very happy for that.
And what about the actress working with her?
She's a very sweet person, yeah, very humble, very nice, and it was fun working with her. Full of confidence, choppy. मज़ा आ गया काम करके.
I read about you regarding one newspaper that you just one day you lock yourself in one room and then you think about what I have to do in a career. So can you tell us about regarding how you think that you want to become as an actor?
So basically बात है 1993 की. My dad wanted to become an actor.
Okay.
And because of certain reasons, he was supposed to start his movie with Asrani ji as a director, and he was the main lead actor in the film. But he couldn't. One sec, sorry guys. One second.
को भी फिल्म करनी थी, उसके बारे में कुछ?
हाँ, so basically 1993 my dad wanted to become an actor and he got the project together. Asrani ji was a director of the film. The movie का नाम था Gold Medal. But on the first day of the film set, when he was going, he met with an accident. तो उस कारण he couldn't pursue his dream and he was in bed for about 2.5 years. 2.5 साल तक वो bedridden थे and he was shattered, his dream was shattered. तो तब मैंने डैड से कहा था कि डैड डोंट यू वरी, आई विल मेक इट हैपन फॉर यू, मैं आपका सपना पूरा करूँगा. एंड उसके बाद फिर व्हेन आई बिकेम 15 years old, 16 years old, द एक्टिंग बग हिट मी. आई वाज लाइक आई वांट टू डू दिस, यू नो, आई वांट टू डू इट फॉर माई सेल्फ, फॉर माई डैड. और आज टुडे आई एम हियर, डिड मशीन मूवी.
And what about who is the inspiration in Bollywood? If you see, like, who is the main actor in this film? He said Shah Rukh Khan in the press conference when the trailer launched.
Yes.
Yeah, he said that Shah Rukh Khan is the most inspiration person. According to you, who is inspiration in Bollywood?
For me?
Yes, you learned so much, anything.
See, I mean, I love every actor. I love everyone's craft. For me, I think people, any actor who's out there, who has a big fan following and who has movies back to back, they are doing something for themselves, and that's how they are out there. For me, every actor is an inspiration for me. I love Amir Khan's work. I love Shah Rukh Khan's work. I love Salman Khan's work. I love every actor's work. I'm a newcomer, so for me, it's a learning process. I learn from everybody, and I enjoy everybody's work.
Any one actress you want to take the name, you want to work. If
Actress?
one actress,
Honestly, I want to work with everyone. Yeah.
everyone.
I hope, yeah, if I get a chance, I would love to work with every actress in the industry.
Okay, and if you will see, talk about the one script, like that you are dream it is. Any one script, any character you want to do. Like every actors have one. They have to do one script. Like this kind of character they have to do.
See, I mean, I want to work in all the genres. I'll be very honest with you. I'm very new right now. I'm a newcomer. I want to excel in every genre. I don't want the audience to have an idea that, oh, this guy can only fit in this genre. I want to keep working in different genres and see what really fits me and what really suits me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then how you prepare for related media purpose? The people shy when newcomers they come, they feel insecurity facing the media. How you manage to talk with the media? Any training you take from the media person for related talking with media? Any like like Anil, when I interviewed the last press conference happened, Anil Kapoor. Anil Kapoor said, I always give guidance to my son and daughter to how to handle the media, because media is the main media is the main purpose.
But I'll be very honest with you guys, media has been very kind to me, yeah. Very, very kind to me. I mean, whether it's you or whatever interviews I've given so far, the people have been very nice and very kind to me. And that's how I've got all the comfort zone. And at the same time, I mean, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos of a lot of people, a lot of actors, upcoming actors, newcomers, and veteran actors. So I learn a lot from them.
How you see the web series nowadays? The web series are becoming very popular in Bollywood.
Yes, yes.
Now, how you see the web series increasing, or if you get a chance in a web series in future, any of the big star like Anurag Kashyap or anything, are you comfortable?
See, I would love to work with them because it's all about the content right now. As long as the content is good, I'm open to any kind of medium. I don't mind whether it's a web series, a TV show, whether it's a theatre. I'm open to everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm an actor. I want to explore myself.
And how you give importance to fitness? Most of the actors give much more fitness. How you see that fitness is important, and how much time you give fitness in gym or?
See, every single morning I go for my gymnastics, which is for about 2.5 hours. So I wake up at 6 in the morning, every morning, and I go for my training to gymnastics. I come back home, I do my stuff in terms of acting, workshops I have to do, I do that. And in the evening, I go for my weight training. So I personally feel whether it's a mental fitness or a physical fitness, both are very, very important to be a good actor.
And what is the planning? Any projects you receive from Bollywood? Any actor?
Not as of now. I'm just humble and very joyful that people are appreciating my work, and I'm enjoying that success in a certain way. And I hope that very soon people, actors, directors and the producers will see my work and would call me for some better work.
Thank
and
you.
approach me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can you ask me the last question again if you don't mind? I was from.
But what is your further planning regarding any other scripts you're working out, or any of the call you?
I'm very humble and very thankful to audience and the critics and the people from media that they've liked my work a lot. So I'm enjoying that right now, and I'm hoping that very soon, whether it's directors or producers, they will call me and they'll offer me some good roles. I'm excited about that.
Any one kind of role you want to do, like anything, like everyone want to like.
I really want to do a rom-com. I'm excited to do a romantic comedy film. Yeah.
Romantic, and how you prepare for romantic? Because
see, I have inspirations. I mean, I look up to Ranbir Kapoor for that. I look up to Ranveer Singh, they're very good actors in terms of romance. So I look up to them, and I always feel that, oh, I wish someday I want to be out there. Someday I want to be like them. I want to act like them. I want to be in that space. So yeah, they're my inspiration.
आपको बता दें, फिल्म मशीन से मुस्तफा बर्मावाला ने बॉलीवुड में डेब्यू किया है। नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज रूम से गायत्री गुप्ता की रिपोर्ट।
Subscribe now to receive new updates, reviews and news.